Please like, comment, subscribe, and support.
Look at that, we're ready to go. So, Logger Fair, here we come. Ooh, yes. Yay, beautiful out here this morning. What a way to go to Vlogger Fair. It's nice. Yeah. Let's see what's around this corner. Never seen so much green in my life. Wow. Pretty. Look who it is.
Sorry, I'll bring the glasses off.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Finally.
Very good. Yeah, it's kind of surprised with all this because you think that people are coming up for a premiere of Grown Ups 2 or something, you know? There's hardly anyone here.
No, it's still early.
Hi.
But you gotta realize. All right, we're here. We're suited up. We're good to go. So, looks like the line's starting to grow, so we better get in that line. So I randomly got this. Let's see if it's any good. It's called coconut water, pure coconut water. So, oh, guess I should. Yeah. Different, definitely different. All right, we're here at the raw root flavor drink.
It's all back there.
And ooh, I like that. That was good. I'm gonna buy one. Good. I don't know. We came here with a bag because we didn't know, what was gonna happen. But we end up with more bags. We got a red one, now we got this green one. We're just getting bags everywhere. They're just handing bags out everywhere. So it's kind of cool. And so let's go find some more free bags. I want more free bags. Oh, check out these couches. I'm going to sit on it. It's comfy enough for a cat. I could get used to this couch. Nice comfy couch. Look at me on the couch. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, it's eating my head. It's eating my head. Check out this chair. Nice. Look at all the blinky buttons. Alright, I've got something to give you, Rich. Something I've been wanting to give you for a while. Here is my 3 CDs, soundtrack from my movie. 5 years in the making on this one. Congratulations.
Yeah, one thing I know is about your channel, you know your own original compositions on it.
Yes, I do.
And it's really does love what you want.
So enjoy it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look at that. It didn't make it. Something tells me that that's done for. Alright, it is time to get some lunch, and we're gonna try this little sushi, box nature sushi thingy here, so let's give it a whirl. I'm hungry. I'm a hungry kitty. You know what cats like, right? Cats like fish. Hello. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. I'll have the Alaskan salmon. Alaskan salmon? The wild Alaskan salmon?
Wild salmon?
Yes. And she will have the smoked salmon. Because kitties need to have, And both of us will have lemonade. Which one? We got strawberry and... Yeah, I'm going to do the strawberry. What do you want? 2 strawberries. Yes. Look what we got for our little lunch. We got, I got the wild salmon. She got smoked salmon. There we go. And she's got this cute little pie. Look at that. Look at that pie. And then, we both got the same ramen. As you know, every time we do this, they always seem to want to explode on us. So, see if we can keep this one from exploding on me. Did yours explode? No. Oh. That's how you do it. So, let's... Ready to try it? I want to try this one first, the my salmon, because this kitty needs fishing. So dip it in there, and voila. Top notch. Yeah, that was good lunch. That was really good. And now we're gonna go back inside and see what kind of fun adventures we have together. I'm gonna go nyan somebody.
Oh, there's a kitty cat.
Yes.
I like that. Nyan. You guys are cute.
Thank you.
This is what I need to be wearing.
But you mind if I get a picture?
Yeah, of course. I mean, no, I don't mind. Yes, of course. Let's take a picture. That's what I meant with that one too. Can I self-take it or do you want? You guys take it? You guys know how? Is that okay?
Kind of the cool thing. It is a pretty down.
Oh, wow.
Classic with the day. But yeah, just the camera like steel.
Okay, cool.
Okay, here we go. I feel better now. What?
Toilet paper sticking up your butt.
Oh no. Look at this. I think I got a problem here.
You did that.
No, I didn't do it on purpose. It stuck to me.
Okay, weather, wait, sunny, what the hell? Battery, okay, sorry, I have to leave. It's a long registration.
Joe.
Hey, how you doing today?
Good.
I've been watching you guys all day.
Someone tweeted me and wanted me to say hi to you. His name's Mark.
Okay, hi Mark. Oh, Mark is out there?
Mark Hyder's out, yeah, inside.
Hi
that
Mark. You must be pretty short to be inside there.
Yeah, he's real tiny.
He's a little guy, huh?
Yes, he is.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Same here.
So I decided to try, this is called Wholesale IPA? Indian Pale Ale. You know me. Nyan Cat needs to get drunk. Nyan. Holy cow, the sun came out. Still a little windy, but the sun came out. I am one happy kitty. Oh yeah. You are back from the future.
Tell me about it.
Welcome back.
Thank you, cosplayers. I want
You're welcome. I wish there was more.
next year. I want.
That ain't gonna happen.
Oh, I'm sorry. You were talking.
No, I wasn't.
Okay.
I was just told I have to reenact Robin Hood at the Tag of the Box.
Yeah, because you got you said you brought it, didn't you?
I brought it, but I didn't bring it here.
Oh.
It's for other purposes.
Next year, I'm telling you, we're gonna make a bet, and
I would like to thank you for making such a great event.
You're having a good time.
I'm having a good time.
Good.
I've met a lot of great people.
Having a good time.
Yeah.
So thank you.
You bet. It was a labor of love.
I bet you put a lot of work. It had to be a lot of work.
Yeah, we didn't realize that it would be as much of a challenge as it was, but literally in the past few days, the good news is we were able to. We kept it like low budget because not like bottom of the barrel, but we'd scraped as close to cost as we could up until recently when we got a spike in ticket sales. By doing that, we were able to add on to what we had before. So, like, I guess one of our logistics coordinators was saying we ordered another bathroom. We didn't know we were going to have this many. So we were able to bring more things in, like even inside, like video games and other fun things. We couldn't do that up until like this past week. But it's all about like basically breaking even. Like,
yeah, I'm glad you did that.
So.
And I kind of had a feeling I knew it would happen.
So.
I knew the last minute would be the big bang for you.
Then you had that feeling, but I did not have that feeling at all. I'm very happy that the feeling happened.
So
I'm very happy that everything kind of came together.
Anyways, go back to eating and
yeah, no, I'm about done anyway. I'm gonna head in for some wine and to unwind a bit if I can.
Enjoy a party.
Yeah, if I can make it. Yes, and you too.
Will do.
Put on some glowing things.
I want some glowing for my costume.
We got 20 of us.
Alrighty, thank you. There you go, folks. Chris Perillo. Well, guys, I'm ready to wrap up this first day of Vlogger Fair. The party's going on, but it's not that poppin' as I thought, hoping it was going to be. But, you know, it's still the first Vlogger Fair. And I can't really get drunk and party, so I'm going to have to end it anyways because I'm going to get bored just watching everybody else get drunk. So we're going to end it a little bit early, a few hours earlier. And end it earlier, you know, so I can have a vlog to upload. So finally I can take that off and be my normal self. We're going to hang around a little bit and I'm going to act my normal self for the rest of it, and I will tomorrow. So, this car starts up next to me. Just want to say, I'm going to end this vlog for today here, because I don't want to vlog anymore for today. I've had enough, unless something happens, and I'll add it in. So, from this time, and every time on, folks, keep on clicking. This is Anthony from AnthWare, and from this time, and every time on, keep on clicking. I guess I just said that twice, didn't I? Anyways, Anthony from AnthWare. Signing off. We'll see you tomorrow, guys.